Welcome back to the channel. If you're into towing, fleet work, or running a shop, I test and showcase gear that actually makes your job easier and safer. Everything in this video is from Truck in Tow. Links are in the description if you want to check them out. First up, this emergency hazard indicator and portable LED work light. If you've ever been stuck roadside at night, you already know visibility is everything. This isn't just a light, it's your first line of defense. You can use it as a flashing hazard signal or a steady work light when you need both hands free. Perfect for breakdowns, roadside repairs, or even loading in low light. If you work after dark or in bad conditions, this is a no-brainer safety upgrade. Next, something most people overlook until it's too late, an industrial first aid kit. Whether you're on a job site, in a truck, or at a loading dock, accidents happen fast. Cuts, burns, or worse. A proper kit like this is stocked for real work environments, not just a couple band-aids. This isn't optional. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be glad you have it when you do. Now for this kingpin lock. Trailer theft is real, and it happens fast. If your trailer is sitting unattended, it's a target. This lock secures the kingpin so nobody can hook up and drive off with your trailer. Simple, but extremely effective. If you leave trailers anywhere overnight or on a job site, you need this. Last but not least, let's talk about protecting your equipment, the heavy-duty rectangular dock bumper. If you're constantly backing trucks into a loading dock, you already know how much damage can happen over time. This absorbs impact and protects both your dock and your truck from expensive repairs. Spend a little now, or a lot later fixing damage, your choice. So those are 4 solid tools that can seriously upgrade your safety, security, and efficiency on the job. If you tow, load, or work around trucks, this could save you time, money, or even someone's life. The smartest truck and towing gear you can buy right now. If you want to check any of these out, I've got the links down in the description. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and drop a comment. What's one tool you can't work without? I'll see you in the next one.